The jungle feels quiet today, too quiet.
Silence often comes before an important change.
Everything here bows when I roar. That is how it has always been.
Fear makes them bow, not respect.
This land is mine. I protect it with strength.
Strength without wisdom breaks what it touches.
Then tell me, old giant, what is true power?
True power is standing firm without destroying.
I see fear in their eyes, not pride.
Because they need a guardian, not a ruler.
I was taught to roar, not to listen.
Even the loudest roar must learn silence.
Can a king change his ways?
A true king grows stronger by changing.
I was always beside you. You just didn't notice.
Then stand with me, not against me.
Together, our strength and wisdom can protect all.
Together, the jungle will breathe again.
Let them see a new king today.
And let them remember, power guided by wisdom creates peace.